Hey there, data enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to make a histogram in Google Sheets for 2025. If you're dealing with datasets and want to visualize the distribution of your numbers quickly, a histogram is your go-to tool. It's perfect for spotting patterns, like how often certain values occur. Stick around, and I'll walk you through it step by step in just a couple of minutes. First things first, open up Google Sheets and get your data ready. You'll need a column of numerical data. Think test scores, heights, or sales figures. For example, let's say you have a list of exam results in column A. Make sure your data is clean and organized. No blanks or text mixed in, as that could throw things off. Step 1. Highlight your data range. Click and drag to select the cells with your numbers. Next, head over to the menu bar and click on Insert, then select Chart. This will open the chart editor on the right side of your screen. In the chart editor, under the Setup tab, look for the chart type dropdown. Scroll down until you find Histogram. It's usually under the Other category. Select it, and Google Sheets will automatically generate a basic histogram based on your data. Cool, right? Now, for some customization to make it pop. Switch to the Customize tab in the chart editor. Here, you can adjust the bin size, which groups your data, change colors, add titles, or even tweak the axis labels. For instance, if your data ranges from 0 to 100, you might set bins every 10 points for better clarity. Once you're happy with how it looks, hit Close, or just admire your work. Your histogram is now embedded in your sheet, and you can easily update it by adding more data. There you have it. That's how to create a histogram in Google Sheets in 2025. It's a straightforward way to turn raw numbers into insightful visuals. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.